Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing a simple lemon rice recipe which you can make it very easily for your lunch box or even for prasadam. Let's start the process. In a hot pan add 2 spoons of oil, a spoon of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon of each. If you like, you can add 3 to 4 green chilies chopped and 1 broken dried red chili. And also add handful of cashew nuts, 2 spoons of peanuts and 1 teaspoon of hing. Now roast it until nice golden in color. Now add 1 string of curry leaves and fry it. Let it cool down completely and add 1 teaspoon of salt and squeeze a lemon. If you like more tangy, then add more lemon juice. Now take 1 large cup of cooked rice and let it cool down completely. Once it is done, mix it gently without any lumps. And also add prepared seasoning. And mix it. If you want, you can adjust the salt. Once it is done, transfer to a bowl. That's it. It's time to enjoy simple and tasty lemon rice. Thanks for watching.